Kaferendo Domestic Workers Alliance mentaka singi kalapan menaya kateo banyadai kahok jangkinong tray Yimbrio Blatip kum ka poster campaign week. Lapan long yakani ka jerki ha office trikam jangka North Eastern Regional Domestic Workers Movement hakabal don lang ikong ampin lingdo menteri ketenat labor ka Sokar Jilla ba MH Karklang Superintendent of Police ka East Kasil District Sister Teresa Realty Regional Coordinator but inong ilam kani ka kenhun ka pej banyadai kahok jangki brio ka em kamay jakpo nakakambala ha Yimbrio. Hakani ka singi swaban pelaj ya ka poster campaign layo ka jingkren ru na ikong ampin lingdo ibalakren halo kahok jangkinong belai ka basya kudup badyo ciada na keyboard ka an habadan kinu jingsha khnyat ben loong ba ka jingdon ka an ka baidai ka hok jangki kante la kam ka jingsha khnyat ben kamtam namar ka kam ka bakitre ka de kam ka busyakut tang da ka tien klem kanu ka jesoi kontrak bat laru ban sa weng ni sabe no hakanu no por ha kitrai ki ba aikam uba MH Karklang Superintendent of Police habakran hakani ka si ulai thu ba ka an jeda selansar la ka long nadu ki baduk hadu ki beruswa ba ka kamap yakinu ki bathombor ya ka hok ki wepan ulakentu yakinong miya banong pe ya ka hok jangkinong trai yimbrio bakin wan ujor seki bor an ladaki yo jingtep habadan kanu ki jingsha thambor jangkinong trai yimbrio.
I'm very sure that if not for the presence of these domestic workers, probably those 70% female workers who are there will not be present over there. And this is because of you all. But the only sad part is that perhaps many of us from the family, we have probably not taken you to be a part of the family. See, the thing is, domestic workers, you cannot compare them with, laborers who are doing construction and all because they are working outside now. But here are the domestic workers who are actually part of the family, residing in the same family, and I feel that many things could be avoided, the crimes and many other things, and the taking advantage of them not could be avoided if each one of us who has employed them feels that they are a part of the family. And I don't think a single household in Shillong here is not without a domestic helper. But in the process of things, we have taken that for granted. We felt that it's because they don't have employment, that's why they have come to our house. It's because they don't have anywhere to turn to, that's why they have come to our house. We have refused to accept that. Because of them, we have been able to do many other things outside.
We need to find a way out to certify the workers now that you are included in the minimum wage. Yes, it does not end there. We've not been able to have further conversations. So I would believe that the next step that will be your responsibility is that we need to sit again with the officers. And you need to find a certification system. Because when a worker, works for a few years and gains some sort of experience, the worker moves from an unskilled to a semi-skilled, to a partially skilled and to a completely skilled worker, so that you may know exactly the different rights that worker has. We still have not done that. So I was talking to my commissioner, and I think we need to sit and find out a system for certification. The other thing is, I think when workers do have time, some sort of a rota has to be developed by the Alliance, where you will have to ensure that the domestic workers get an opportunity to skill themselves. Very basic skills like housekeeping is very important. Bit of cookery classes is important. You have to have a system. What do you want me to do? Open it? Yeah, open it and display it.